Testing, testing. Hi, Nain. This is my lemonade master cleanse procedure, and I thought I'd show you. And even though it's a bit late on day 7, I'm going to show you now. So here's what I've got. Everything is set up here, which you can see maybe. You'll see it bit by bit. So first thing that I do is I have my glass that is pre-measured to the eyeballs of the raccoon with maple syrup, approximately just up to the eyeballs. That's that. And what I do is these two glasses, I have it balanced between the two glasses, roughly. One glass I'm going to have first, and the other one is going to go into the fridge, and I'll have it second. I pour some water into that cup just to make sure I've got the maple syrup before the lemonade comes in. Then I get a lemon, roll it to get the juices out. Cut it in half, and usually, most times, take out a couple of seeds if I can. Don't stress about that. And then back into the same measuring cup with the raccoon. So, one, half, not close yet. If I edited this, I could take this second one out because you'd just see it happening. And where are we at? We're at the eyes. So one lemon did it. There's lots of seeds in there. I'm going to take the seeds out. There. Then, because it's morning, I have my, what do you call this stuff? Cinnamon. And this is what I'm really not so gutsy with. For the cayenne, I just can't bear to put in the full amount, so I put in trace amounts. I have to say I really skimp on that because it's the least favorite part. And then I top each cup up. Can you see that? There's one, it's fully mixed. I put a lid on it so that it can stay sort of airtight for the couple hours. The next one. Cheers.